Hello friends, I'm painting strawberry today. So let's start. I am choosing green color first. Color it nicely and properly. Now I am picking red color. This is strawberry. Strawberry color is red. Strawberry is soft, juicy and tasty. It is heart-shaped fruit. It is very tasty. I like strawberry very much. It's done. If you like my painting, like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.